haven't vlogged in a while, so I thought I'd update because it rained for about 3 weeks straight, and it's Tuesday now, and everything's flooded in Paulding County. Sorry, I thought I'd do this outside since the weather was nice. But everything's flooded in Paulding County, and we're out of school. We've been out of school Monday and today, and tomorrow we're out of school because all these roads are broken and like the buses can't get anywhere. And yeah, it's pretty cool. We'll probably be out of school for the rest of the week. So Taylor and Dorian, that's what you get for moving. And Dorian, you won't have as many snow days as we will. Rain days. I have a text. I just want to tell AJ that I love you too. And here's a picture of me and AJ at homecoming. I was kind of chunky, if you can't tell. I've lost weight since last October. Hold on, I have a text. It's Corey, my boyfriend. So catching up. We got progress reports and I have hundreds in all my classes for once. And I bet all these cars think I'm an idiot. Just sitting out here. It's whatever. I got my car back, but all the rain made it stink. And there was like puddles in the floorboard. My backyard's flooded. I thought I'd show everyone that in a few minutes. And, crap. What was I gonna say? Let's see. I was gonna say something important, but I can't think of it. I'm going to North Paulding's prom with AJ. I'm excited. And then going to East Paulding prom with Corey. Duh. There's a fly on my camera. I guess I'll show off my yard now. It's pretty bad. Ugh. Alright. Let's go. Oh, I have another text message. Hold on. Just put it in my pocket right now. Alright. Here's my backyard. It looks pretty good so far. No damage done yet. Then we go way out here. And there used to be a garden down here, just so you know. Look at all the butterflies. It's so pretty. I almost want to swim in this. But then again, not really. There's a car. Look at this. This is probably up to my knees. Actually, it's probably deeper. I'm really not sure. But there used to be a garden over there. I don't think there is anymore. Alright. Well, I just wanted to show everyone the flood and all that good stuff. My Zune works again and I got 2 movies on it. Yep, I'm gonna go now. Bye! I love AJ Tatum because he's my best friend. One more thing. This is my baby princess and she's so cute. Hey, baby. Oh, look what she did. Oh, princess, you got in a fight. Okay, bye.